Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be exploring a handy trick to find PDF files in your Gmail account, especially on your PC. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Sign into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're in, you'll see your inbox filled with all those important emails. Next, focus your attention on the search bar at the top of the page. This search bar is your best friend when it comes to locating specific emails quickly. Click on it to start your search. Now, here's where the magic happens. In the search bar, type "has PDF" and hit enter. This simple command tells Gmail to filter through your emails and show only those that have PDF attachments. It's that easy. Within moments, Gmail will display a list of emails containing PDFs. Take your time scrolling through the results to find the email you're looking for. Whether it's a document from work, a study resource, or a form you need to fill out, it should now be easy to spot. And that's it. Finding PDFs in your Gmail just became a whole lot simpler. By using this quick search trick, you can save time and keep your inbox organized. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy searching!